This is lesson 140, number skills. Today we're having an oral numbers evaluation, but I'm going to put it on a separate video, and it's going to be labeled Numbers Evaluation L140. Parents, I need you to sit with your student, with your child, so that as I lead them through the test, you write down exactly what they say, because it is an oral test. Just write it down just like they say, and then it'll be done. I appreciate that. Thank you. Let's go to the next one. Okay, kids, we have counting by twos. And I wish I could hear you saying these with me, but I'll pretend. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58. And I did these just because it's fun to do. I like counting by twos. We only needed to go to 50, but I like counting by twos. Okay, we're going to go on to the next slide. These are flashcards. They're kind of a little different than what you're normally used in the classroom. And I do have some on YouTube that I want you to practice occasionally. These, we're going to do them together. Okay, are you ready? 3 plus one more. You know it's the next number over, right? 3, and then you say 4. So I'm going to get my pen up here and write 4 there. Now, I like to do the big number first. So 5 is the big number. And then I can hold up 2 fingers and go 5, 6, 7. That makes it easier. That's the way I usually add. Now, which one's bigger, the 2 or the 8? If you said 8, you're right. So do you know what comes after 8? Well, hold up 2 fingers and say 8. Now count your fingers. 9, 10. So 8, 9, 10. This is what I used to do when I was a kid. I go 8, 9, 10, because there's 2 dots there. So I'm going to write 10. Here we have 5. It's a big number. Let's add one more. 5, 6. Is that what you got? Good. Okay, I'm going to do this. I'm going to put dots. 1, 2, 3, because I like to do it this way. Here we go. 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 is the answer. Is that what you got? This is a bigger number, and this is 2, so I'm going to put 2 dots. 3, 4, 5. That's kind of a fast way to do it. It's kind of count adding. And I like to show you this. I've shown this to you before, but sometimes it helps when you get stuck with a number you're not sure about. 2 plus one more. Did you see 3? That's good. Now, if you have 7 and somebody gives you no more, do you still have the 7? You do. So you have 7. Nobody gave you any more, so you still have 7. All right. I'm going to go clear this, and let's go to the next slide. This is what we've been working on a lot. Remember, we're doing takeaway because this little line means it's taking away. On the other one, this means you're putting together. So we are going to do takeaway, or what we call minus. This says 4 take away 1, or 4 minus 1. So I'm going to take one of these and I'm going to put it on one of these penguins, because we had 4. We took away 1, and now we have 3. So in that box, I'm putting a 3. Let's look at the next one. we have how many hamburgers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 hamburgers. We're taking away 1 to get the amount we have now. I need my pointer. I need to drag this one over because chomp chomp, I'm hungry. Okay, we had 5 hamburgers. We took 1 away. Now we have 4. Very good. Let's go down here to the frogs. 7 frogs were on the lily pad. That was a crowded lily pad. 7, and now we have to take away 1 because he jumped into the water. So let's take this one. He jumped into the water. Now, how many do we have? It's like counting backwards. What comes before 7? 6. That's right. It's the before number. Because we're taking away. Taking away is counting backwards. Okay, let's see if this thing works. Nope, didn't work. Let's see if it works up here. It did. Okay. Let's go down to the next slide. And this next slide is our paper. Now, I'm going to explain this to you. We'll probably do the clocks together, and maybe the before numbers. You might need your green numbers chart, the counting chart, but we'll start up here first. Remember, we're going to do the back, but we're not going to do this bottom part on this video. If you did this part already, that's fine. If you watched the video and did that part, that's fine. But this part is for this video. So we're going to do this part in this one. So let's go over here. Are you ready? It says count and write by tens. Now tens, let's count these little gumballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you could count 10 and then 10 more, but it's easier to count by tens if you just go, the first 10. Let's write that because we know we got 10 in there. Oops. I'm going to have to grab my pen again. It's not wanting to write. Let's see if it writes now. Oh, there it is. Okay, 10. Now, this is a 1, 0, because these are going to be daddies here. 1, 0. What comes next? 2, 0. What would 2, 0 be? 10, 20. What would be the next one? Stick your tongue out with this one. Remember, you have to stick your tongue out to say this. 30. So 3 and a 0. 10, 20, 30. So 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0. And then what? Did you say 4, 0? I'm going to pretend that I heard you say that. Okay, so I'm going to clear that off. Let's go down to the next section. Now we're counting before numbers. Now this is in the 50 family because we know it's in 50 family, so we're going to put the 5 there already because this is going to be a 50 family. But here is the 2. What if you take 1 away from 2? What do you have? Hold up 2 fingers. Now take away 1 finger. Did you get 1 finger? That's right, because we're counting backwards. It's like take away. So 51, 52. There you go. Now this is in what family? The teen family. So we know it's going to be in the teen family. What comes before 7? You can look at your chart if you need to. What comes before 7? It would be a 6. So this is 16, 17. Now this is the daddy of the family, so if we go backwards, we can't go up to the next number because there is nothing above 50 in that family. So we would have to go to the bottom of the family before. So that would be, what family comes before 50? Let's see, 60, 50, 40. So it'd be in the 40 family. What's on the very bottom of the family? The bottom number is a 49. Did you find it? Okay. Okay, we have 11 here. Now we have to go, we know it's in the teen family, so it's not the first in the teen family, so we're going to put a teen there. If you have 1 and you take away 1, what would it be? A 0. So then what is this? It's 10. Let's count. 10, 11. Very good. Okay, let's go to this one. It's in the 30 family, so you can write your 30 part. Now, let's look at this next digit. 4. What comes before 4? Okay, if you're counting backwards, or if you held up 4 fingers, take away 1, you have 3. 33, 34. Very good. Now, these are clocks. Remember, we have when it's over here, just like on our Judy clock, we say it's 15 or quarter past. But we write the shorthand first. And it went past the 6, so you put the 6 in there first. So it's 6. 6 what? Sideways, so it's 6:15. Remember how you write a 15? It's a teen. Teens always start with a 1. 6:15. Now, I think you can do this one on your own. And you know if it's down, it's a what? It's a 30. So I'm going to go ahead and let you do those two on your own. Let's go over here to this one. I'll do this one with you. This one went just past the what? Just past the 1. So write that in there, because we know it's still at the 1 o'clock hour. But this hand isn't up, so it's not 1 o'clock. What was it when it's across? It's 1 what? Not 1-3. It's all the way over there with that little tiny number that's over there. You remember it? 1:15. And it's a teen, so you write 1, and it's the 5th. 15. 1:15. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and clear that. Oops. Yeah, there it goes. This bottom part, I'm going to let you do this by yourself because you're very good at the addition part. I'm going to go to the next page and explain what to do on this top. Okay, on this, it says circle the number word that tells how many. So you find how many is here in the picture of these. Okay, this is a yellow race car. So you count all the yellow race cars, and let's see, is it 6, 7, or EGOT? You don't know what EGOT is? I think you do. EGOT is, it looks like EGOT, but it says 8. So you circle the one that is a number word for each item. Okay, so that is all of that part of the paper. This bottom part, I'm going to do that now. So maybe you've already done it, but go ahead and finish this paper, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.